Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. And for this episode, this is going to be a quick review of the Asics Foot Patrol Gel Saga Gundam. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are announcing our latest giveaway this Saturday morning. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you hit the notification bell and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Go! I have a confession. I only have like a few pairs of Asics. I have like the Asics black and white undefeated collaboration. I have the Asics Cultura collaboration with Commonwealth. And this is probably my third pair. And this is also a collaboration. This is the collaboration between Asics and London-based Foot Patrol for the Gel Saga silhouette. The Gel Saga silhouette actually came out in 1991 and it was originally a racing sneaker. Now, this continues the trend wherein you have lifestyle silhouettes, or lifestyle intentions or comfort paired with technology of running together with collaboration with creative houses or sneaker shops to be able to give it a little more cultural relevance and, fire. Why is it called the Gundam? Because it is inspired by the mecha of the Japanese anime, the Gundam. The colorway, as you guys see here, has hints of gray, which is dominantly a Gundam color, white, again, which is a dominantly Gundam color, and that shiny blue metallic color that you see here for the Asics logo or symbol. That same blue can be found here at the back as additional accents, as well as the logo of Asics here at the front. That same blue was also used to be able to spell out Gel Saga here at the side, Foot Patrol, and Asics here at the midsole. Now, you also have additional accents of pink, some sort of pinkish material that you guys see here with the lace tips, which is pretty cool. Gives it the right amount of pop, because if it was just plain white or blue, it wouldn't have that same amount of style points, if you ask me. For the upper, you have a white mesh material, which is very breathable and also makes it super light on hand. If you actually hold it, it's actually a very light sneaker, which is great for everyday wear. And then it has an overlay of suede along the sides and the front of the sneaker. So that's the gray material that you guys see here, and that extends all over the shoe. You also have that shiny blue, I don't know what material this is, if some sort of plastic or leather that you have here on both sides, as well as that blue streak here at the back. For an anime sneaker, I find this to be very clean, very easy to wear, and very stylish, unlike, of course, the louder versions of the Dragon Ball sneakers that we actually reviewed a few, I think, weeks ago. We reviewed the Dragon Ball Goku as well as the Dragon Ball Frieza, wherein they were inspired by the loud colors of those particular characters. This one, the Gundam being, plain, will actually use more fresh, iconic, and timeless colors, making this so much more easier to wear on a day-to-day basis. So how is this pair on feet? It is ridiculously comfortable. I mean, I was blown away as somebody who doesn't have a lot of Asics pairs, who doesn't have a lot of Asics sneakers in his collection. I was really happy with the amount of comfort that this sneaker delivered. For a shoe to come out in 1991 and to be able to hold out and be competitive against a lot of the technologies that you guys see today, from the React technology to the Air technology to the Boost technology to the Everrun technology, I mean, all of those midsoles to the Under Armour hover technology is just amazing. And I think it really puts into fore the capability of a brand like Asics to be able to come up with a lot of great technology to ensure perfect cushioning and performance with their sneakers, as you guys see with this pair. I copped this pair from Commonwealth over at their branch at SM Aura. I was really surprised that they had it in my size. This initially came out with, I think, the Sneak Peek, which is another sneaker store here in the Philippines, and they only went until size 11. This particular pair, this special pair, which I was really sad that they didn't come out in size 11 when it first, size 12 when it first came out over at the Sneak Peek, came out in size 12 when it was released by Commonwealth. So that's why I'm really happy was able to finally cop this pair. This one, I think I paid like a little over 8,000 pesos for it, and I'm very happy, very thrilled to be able to add it to my collection, especially since I'm a geek and I'm a fan of Gundam. So yeah, that's it for this quick review. I don't want to drag it out unnecessarily. It's very straightforward, it's very simple, it's a fantastic sneaker. If anything, I am more appreciative of the Gel Saga silhouette, and I will definitely keep an eye out for more sneakers from Asics that feature this Gel Saga silhouette, because it's just amazing. amazingly comfortable, super light on feet. And yeah, I'm excited to see more of this particular silhouette in the coming months, years ahead. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to check out the other video that I uploaded recently, the Air Max 270 Bowfin review. I'll put the link down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. That's it for now. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend ahead. Peace. God bless.